Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Tavde from Gossipfunda. Let us have a look at how to add words to iPhone dictionary. So, the steps to add words to the iPhone dictionary are: for this, you first need to go to settings, then scroll down to general, after which you have to click to keyboard and select the second option, that is text replacement. Now you click on the plus sign which is given at the rightmost corner. Then you have to enter a phrase. Over here I have written TTYL and a shortcut. The shortcut is an optional option. After entering both the things, you have to click on save. Similarly, you can add n number of words to your dictionary so that whenever a text is similar to these words are entered in any of the text box, there is no grammar mistake shown or there is no autocorrection of the words. Now to check this out, let us go to messages and create a new message. Now I have typed in here TTYL and there is no red line below it. Similarly, I have written ASAP and there is no autocorrection of these words also. Now if I write ASAI, there is an autocorrection which changes it to ASAP, and similarly if there is ASAP written, there is no red line below it. Thank you for watching the video. Hope that it has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to Gossipfunda. Do not forget to put your query in the comment section below. For more such amazing contents, do visit gossipfunda.com, link in the description.